How would you feel if you suddenly get a message from Facebook that your account is compromised? Today's video is going to be about this very understanding. Have a look. Hi, my name is Dr. Devaroti Haldar, and today I'm going to talk about Facebook spamming. Most of us do get such kinds of spam messages, and you would get to see that such kinds of spam messages may come to your email IDs or emails. How you would identify that this is a spam message? The language could be that XYZ, that means your name. When you receive the mail and just before you open it, you would get to see that your name and that somebody tried to open your account or somebody tried to hack into your account. And the mail tagline, or rather the the header of the mail would be something which will be enough traumatizing for any one of us. And you may start feeling that yes, somebody tried to basically hack into my account. What happens in such cases? You basically uh, put your cursor in that mail, you click into it, and that's all. You are actually affected by phishing mails, spamming, and whatever you say. If you click into such mails, you would also get to see some virus will enter into your device, whether it is laptop or Android phone or any other device, any other electronic device. Hence, it is advisable that even if you get to see that it is coming from Facebook, you better not open it, because Facebook will never tell you that somebody is trying to hack into your account in any other email ID except the email ID that you have actually given to Facebook. Other than that, you'll also get to see if you have given your phone number for recovery of that particular account, you will get to see that in that phone number also some kind of message is coming from Facebook stating that yes, your account is basically compromised. Hence, do not click on any suspicious link even if it says that your Facebook account is infringed or your Facebook account is compromised. In such cases, it is better if you click phishing mail on such kinds of mails without opening it, and also notify Facebook that Facebook is sending such kinds of, or somebody is using the name of Facebook for sending you spam messages. Thank you.